Pwede ba mag-housing loan si Mr. at mag-housing loan din si Mrs. sa Pag-ibig Fund? Allowed ba ito? Answer, yes friends, pwede. Pwede mag-housing loan si Mr. at mag-housing loan din si Mrs. sa Pag-ibig Fund. Allowed po ito friends, pero in one condition. Ano po ito? Dapat Pag-ibig member po si Mr. at Pag-ibig member din si Mrs. 2 years member po, pwede na po mag-housing loan si Mr. at si Mrs. For example, mag-lot purchase si Mr. Pwede. And si Mrs. mag-house construction. Pwede yan. So, lote ni Sir at si Ma'am naman ang magpatayo ng bahay. Pwede po yan. Pwede rin po ito mag-housing loan si Mr. Tapos, kung gusto mag second floor o third floor ang bahay, si Mrs. na po ang mag-additional loan. Pwede po yan. Pwede rin separate houses. May bahay si Mr. or si Sir and may bahay din si Mrs. or si Ma'am. So, dalawa po yung bahay nila. Allowed po yan sa Pag-ibig Fund. Bakit po? Kasi in every Pag-ibig member, Pag-ibig Fund provides home or housing loan to members ni Pag-ibig. Ayan po. Very clear po yan. One of the goals po yan ni Pag-ibig Fund. Apart from savings, they provide housing loans sa kanilang members. 2 thumbs up to Pag-ibig Fund. Marami po kayo natulungan ng mga walang bahay. Simple lang po ang requirement. Pag-ibig member ka ng 2 years, tapos meron kang capacity to pay or employed ka or may proof of income ka, pwede na po yan mag-housing loan sa Pag-ibig Fund. Good luck, God bless, and thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.